Have you seen these viral videos on TikTok with the most sophisticated and beautiful makeup products? It's called flowerknows, and I've been wanting to try it for over a year, and now we're gonna do it together. So this package costed me $110, which is a good deal because this company is a bit expensive, and I got like 9 or 8 products. So let's open it together. Yeah, that looks promising, guys. So let's start with the biggest product here, which is probably the mirror. Yeah, that's the mirror. This is so beautiful. I give it 5 out of 5 because it's heavy, it's not like this cheap kind of plastic, and the mirror itself is really good. I mean, it's working, it's functioning. So let's choose next one. I think this one, maybe it's a brush. Blush brush. Yay, I guessed. I didn't want to spend my money on a brush, but I wanted it to be in a gift, and I got it. Ooh, this is so cute. Yeah, it looks like it's made for girls, but I so love it. I just quickly show you those powder puff. I think it's a blush. Yes, this is so beautiful, guys. It's when expectation and reality meets. Oh my god, I don't know if you see it clearly, but this is so detailed. This is perfect. I don't want to use it. I don't want to touch it. It's so sophisticated. I don't remember, but I think the blush itself is about $20, and I see why, because it's so detailed. So far, I give it 5 out of 5. Okay, next, maybe something big. I mean, like this is probably the palette. Ooh, this singular costed like $40, and I think it's expensive. Ooh, this is small. You see, it's a very small one. If I bought it for $45 on Marketplace, like a singular product, I will be disappointed because it's very small. I mean, it's beautiful, it's very detailed. You have this bowly core kind of vibes, but this is very small for $45. I think we have 2 palettes, but I will leave the second one for the dessert. And we take this Shine lipstick. Yay, this is so beautiful. Look at this. We love it. Let's see how much product they got us. I think it's individually cost like $20, $30. It's given a lot. Oh my god, I will be using it for the rest of my life. Okay, next one is going to be lip mask. Oh, it's like a Vaseline kind of thing, so it's like just to moisturize my lips, which is also good. The next one, I believe it's eyeliner, because I remember it must be in my box. Cute. Let's swatch it. It's brown. Next one is going to be another lipstick. That's great. Oh, this is a brown lipstick. Wow. And the last product here is the last palette. I so wanted this one. It was the reason I bought this box. This is so beautiful. I love it. But it is very small. I expected it to be bigger. Okay, anyway, let's try. Oh, so cute. So cute. I love the colors. Okay, so that's all we got for $110. I think it's a good deal. Okay, so we start by putting my lip balm because I need to moisturize my lips. It's like the cheapest Vaseline lip balm you can get. There's nothing extraordinary about it. Then we go to blush, and I'm gonna do it with my new brush for blush. Blush. When I put on my blush, I usually smile, and I put my blush on my cheeks. That's my mother's life hack. Probably you don't see it on camera because camera is like eats the makeup, so I need to put more for you to see. But in real life, this is going to be very comfortable for me. This one is not going to be my most favorite brush. So you can see this one is Rare Beauty, and it's like very straight, structured, while this one, it leaves so many, how do you say, hairs. I also have this brush blush from MAC. Again, this one is like more structured. We can see that angle clearly, while this one is like a bit messy. It's not the best brush, but it's still cute. Okay, I love it. Color really suits me. Dreamy Season number 5. I ruined the SWAN. So pity, I ruined it already. Boom, boom, boom. So next one is going to be eyeshadow palette, and we have 2 options here. We can either do a very natural one from SWAN collection, either we can do a colorful one today with velvet, and I want to do both and show you the difference. Maybe let's try. So we're gonna start with natural colors. So first we're gonna try this white. It's not that pigmented, and I can see it's very dry here, which is not that good in my opinion. So I proceed to the darker. Oh, this is so dry. I already ruined all this beautiful picture. Okay, I see more pigments here, and let's proceed to the darkest one. Not good. I want this white glitter in my inner corner. I can use my fingers. They're not the best glitters in my life. Why I don't love it? Because it's not covering the whole spot where I put it. So it's like leaving those in between those glitters, if it makes sense. So I like glitters to be like very thick. Sorry, English is not my first language. I'm gonna try another glitters here. Doesn't work. I don't really see another glitter. So okay, white ones I see clearly, but this beige glitter I don't see it at all. So I'm gonna show it. I actually love it. It's fine. I mean, like, it's good, it's blending very good. It's much better than the Rare Beauty one. I'm gonna show you the Rare Beauty palette. So they're pretty the same size, they cost the same. And this one I like much more than Celine's one. Also because this one is for different type of skin color. I mean, like, I'm very pale. I'm pale as a Snow White. So I need something like for pale girls. And you know, like this kind of Asian cosmetics, they are always made for pale type of skin, which is my type of skin, so this really suits me much better than Selena Gomez Rare Beauty palette. So let's proceed with a colorful one, which is the most exciting. I so wanted to try this, so let's go. We don't have any super light color. Let's try this one. I can see that's also very dry. Here's a hack. If you see that your palette is very dry, like this, put your primer before doing makeup. As the previous one, the lightest one is not that pigmented. Oh, it's so dry. I don't know if you can see it. I don't see anything. It's giving nothing. Okay, now it's giving better. I don't know, in my opinion, brown is like warm color, while all these kind of cold colors, and I don't understand this mixture. Will it make any sense? We'll see in a minute. In my opinion, it's very weird because this is like bluish, this is like violet, and for the dark color we also need like this dark violet or dark blue. I don't like how it turned out. Okay, let's try those glitters. So I'm gonna use my fingers. This one for inner corner. Ooh, this giving green. Yeah, this is like rose and green. I don't like this combination of brown, velvet and green. And then I'm gonna use this one. Oh, this is giving a lot. Okay, this one is nice. This is how it turned out, guys. And I don't really like it because in my opinion, all those colors are so different. Also, in my opinion, the brown one is not that good for this combination. And by the way, in my Rare Beauty, you can see here that they have this dark velvet. So maybe I should have put this one instead of a brown. I will take it out and I will remake it.
A few moments later.
So that's how it turned out. So I used all of my 3 new palettes, those 2, velvet here. You can say for yourself which one you like better, this one or this. Okay, we have a few products left. So it's going to be eyeliner. Let's go, guys. This is so good. I don't know if you can see it. I love it, guys. I've been using a lot of eyeliners in my life and this one is one of the best. I tried to make it until my inner corner and here I stopped in the middle so you can see the difference. Okay, and the last but not least, 2 different lipsticks. Of course, I want to try the white one. This is supposed to give this melting kind of effect. Interesting. It tastes like strawberry cake and I love it. In my opinion, this side turned perfect. So let's remove it and try the brown one. I'm kind of scared. This is giving chocolate. I don't like the way I put it, so it's already broken here, which is not good. It makes me look much more older, like 5 years plus. And for my lip liners, I have 3. 2 are from Kylie Jenner's and 1 from Russian brand called Chic. Okay, I'm gonna try the Kylie's one. I think it's almost the same color. Like, how is it possible? Yeah, I hate lip liners because they make my lips even bigger. They're already quite big and I haven't done any injections, so I'm gonna go with these Kylie Jenner's. I like this combination. I think this combination is so good. Now it's giving the finishing look. Overall, my opinion made me want to buy more products by flowerknows. So guys, subscribe if you want to see my part 2. Give me your thoughts if you haven't tried flowerknows. Leave in the comments your opinion on this brand. I don't know, just write some comments to support my small channel on YouTube and see you later, guys.